Hey guys! It's Hannah and Ian from Level Savings TV. Today we're doing the volcano experiment and we're going to show you the footage. So come along with us. So first, obviously we have a volcano right here in the tube, if you guys can see in the camera footage.
But also,
Ian
the house has disappeared.
Ian has majestically put a house in here and he is making it die. So should we do the experiment here?
Yes.
Okay, first what you're going to do is you're going to put some baking soda. So I'm going to go, wait, don't put the vinegar in yet. Okay. Do you want to put the baking soda in? Okay, then take your chopsticks out. Just the baking soda first. Baking soda, put it in. Put all of it in. Is that it? Good. Baking soda. Wait. And then you're going to put a paint. So you can either put any colors, basically any colors you would like. And we're going to choose red because it's like the blood of the volcano. You ready?
Yeah.
Stop. And then you're going to add your vinegar. But first, if you want your volcano to explode, then you're going to need water. So get your chopsticks.
Yeah.
I'm going to put the water. You're going to put in the vinegar. Water. You want it at the top, so that when the vinegar pours in, let's go. It pops out! Woo!
And literally,
There are lots of bubbles making the explosion.
but the house actually disappeared.
Because of the mixture of the vinegar and the pan. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Hope you learned something new. Subscribe.
Bye!